Hi guys, how are you? I hope you all are good. So today I'm going to make the Starbucks flat white. Okay. First I'm gonna put the milk. It's a cold milk, should be cold milk. And the pitchers also should be the cold. Okay. Just pour the milk in a pitcher. And then steam milk. Steam milk. Should be aerate the 2 seconds. Okay, the Q shot. So your milk temperature should be 66 to 77 degrees Celsius. Okay. So after you steam the milk, don't forget to sanitize the one. Okay. And your foam should be good. No bubbles. If there is some bubbles, you just try to broke from like this. Okay, and that just go with your just pour in a cup. Okay. Okay, here you go. It's a Starbucks flat white.
Like it from your hand, Mr. Sujan.
Please. So now you guys enjoy. Cheers. Okay.
Like, subscribe,
And
share.
one more thing, if you're going to make the latte art, flat white art, you need to follow there is some step. If you guys need, just comment below. Okay. Thank you guys.